So I think Christmas parties are one of the best things that we can do. And I think it's important that we understand what our priorities are at the Christmas party. So my job at the Christmas party was to spend time with the spouses. So one of the things I don't think we are tuned into as well as we should be is the weight in the decision making the spouse has on where the employee works, especially in service industries where schedules are sometimes not ideal for having a family. There might be on-call shifts, there might be weekend work. There's these reasons that are not fun for the family and the spouse to have this job. And to pretend like that's not a thing, I think is kind of um, short-sighted. I think in many cases, a spouse has as much to say about where the employee works as the employee does. The Christmas party is my only opportunity to address that and my only opportunity to brag on the employee. So my job at the Christmas party, I was more exhausted at the end of Christmas parties than I was any other day of the year. My job at the Christmas party was to get in front of the spouse and let the spouse know how much we appreciate them for their sacrifice, giving up their the employee to the company for these oddball hours and things like that, and to let the spouse know what a great job the employee is doing. And as many times as I could have a real, genuine, sincere conversation with a spouse and talk about how much we appreciate that employee being there and how we recognize the burden this puts on the family, I think there's tremendous value in that. Just having a party for the sake of everybody getting together and having an open bar or free food or whatever, okay, there's a team building aspect to that, 100%. If the business owner is not taking this opportunity to speak to the spouses, they're missing the only chance they have to address the real concerns that the spouses have.